Hi guys, my name is John DeMello. This is IDS GH
This is your girl, Miss Forrest. You know, seminar first. Keep watching IDS GH
Yo, Ideas TV, you are full of ideas, you are full of creativity. Ideas TV, we're too sure from one Canada.
Yo, I bet him call me Kofi that I record we will move and pimple a pen and Ideas GH Move.
Well, how the fireman Mescal layer representing for Ideas TV, you don't know. And we say tin shot can call more fire.
One shot, is it? I'm Adam Dempsey and I represent it for Ideas, is it? The best and the best and the best in if you come attack the Ghana, watch out. At the Dempsey, one shot, crime free, one time.
So the mommy and I'm a come at me, I'm so don't be late. I dey miss it all the time. You could kill me, make what up, Charlie? This is your boy Mule. Once again, gangster, yo, keep on watching IDSG TV. I mean, keep it locked. Mad love. Phoebe, I'm
keep watching IDS TV. Thanks for supporting us. Bye, going up to the top without you.
Yeah, this is Kwakesi and we're rocking live on Ideas GH TV.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumeza idin where I am Pobwa. And Pobwa sort here desert, Lufes, Lippes Nade. Say Pem works nada, Ebo Emmanuel into Blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook. And we put that here, a boom, a Pemi location so I'm a Greek. Minome 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
Good evening and welcome to Ideas GH TV. This is Showbiz. I'm sure that what we in any match, Mama feel one in the day, and then the mama come punch a baby by my feel one because it's been long since you guys saw. I think it's been a week or something, yeah. And the last time I heard discussions, anyway, after that, and I promised you guys that we will come back, and then this year Yaba, Yaba. So you forget about whatever that happens throughout the weekend. And I'm also sure that so far, any page you had, you've been entertained, you've been educated, and all that because we've been providing you with solid and good content. You know, when it comes to Ideas GA TV, we don't slack. I know we are on top of our game. So yeah, once again, welcome to Showbiz Bars right here on Ideas GH TV. My name is Sika Woman. Now, today, no. Made the story is there, then I'm the brown one. So when the Showbiz Bars had we talk real issues, we talk the exclusives, we talk about the gist and then the concern going on in town. Manga some of the master from now. It's saying someone local town in Namada Abroad, local social media now. Because me vision why the eagles vision. So I see everything. I see what you guys don't see, and then I bring it to your doorsteps. You are watching us live on Facebook at Ideas GA TV. You can also share what you are watching right now. Tag a friend. Hey, tag why I'm going now. Also one shabby. The man I selfish be done. So I am on your friend. So just tag a friend to also watch and also comment, like what you are seeing, and also send in your comments. For us to also read to you. And also we are also active on various social media platforms, not just on Facebook. We're active on Instagram at IDSGA TV, on Twitter at IDSGA TV, and also on YouTube. So after this, you can also go on YouTube and then subscribe. So go and subscribe. I don't know what I'm read. I don't be down. Subscribe. I crying. So just subscribe and then watch our videos and also share. Now today, we know that there's been so much tension, so much tension in the country right now, and due to the novel coronavirus and COVID-19, and how the numbers keep rising, the cases keep going up, and all that. But then that's why I'm here today, man. Because I'm sure why the tension now does was system name. Obia is serious, BBA, Obia the corona, accumulated. Now blood pressure, muscle, hypertension, this year, even though corona, but still, we don't like it. So today, I'm bringing you just, at this hour, this is going to be your favorite show. Your favorite show, Showbiz Bars, hosted by yours truly, Sika Woman. It's may the just rebels, never our tension or panic or fear no nina or book of phone. Because during the day, all that you've been hearing is coronavirus, COVID-19, and cases now 52, cases now a day, this and that. let's just talk entertainment for some few hours, for some few minutes now. Yes, so you ease attention on attention now also like too much rather. And the man me pay if you fear no matter, but this I'm a social distancing. So the man me pay if you fear by them coffee slow for fellow do once about a car. Hey, we are going to be all right. Just follow the preventive measures, and then do what is necessary. If it's not essential, don't step out. Just stay in your room, stay in your house. Ideas GAT, we have good stuff for you. So keep watching. Now, this is Showbiz Buzz. So we go to our e-news, entertainment news. And then when you be very on social media, why the corona no? Papa corona, why there? Oh baby, how? This is our business, corona. Corona. Weather cry corona. Entertainment so corona kakao. But then we are happy that entertainment corona and some now and they are all positive. They are all positive news. I'm here to give them to you so that also fear and panic also walk of now straight up this week on the week I shall say now the last time I remember with the Magic George, we were talking about pastors being normal or Ghana how they carry themselves and in Zambia work a car now. There more fights and beef and getting no pastor and pastors one in we were talking about it the last time. Now that this week no more this time around no on your pastor to pastor. How on your prophet to prophet on your dabi. This one what's different level don't change for the beef inside as you see or between a pastor and an honorable member of parliament. Yes, a member of parliament. So Ghana had on honorables. While I show honorable, I don't want to go there, but this is it. Pastor, no point your pastor. Please forgive me. That was title. Bishop, Bishop Daniel Binim, and also the controversial, the infamous member of parliament for Asen Fono, one member of parliament is in the central region. Honorable Kennedy, a compre Japan. Kennedy, I can say, that's on a opinion why they end the day, at the day, or share one, and then the Kennedy consent. Opinion being fraudulent and fraudulent activities with some bank and everything and so I cover with regards some code and I know who says I'm sure you've all seen it ended that day in they were watching live on TV and watch the man rant and talk about all these things, giving evidence and everything. But now no opinion Waba out. Yes, Waba out although Obano Baba Kachagana for the in some of Papa Cano or any nan or any Conema. But in Confucius said I will be him the real Casanado, so Papa Nide. You see, when you are guilty of something you've been accused of, and you want to try various means now and I defend the whole, but I don't know that you are I'm not saying your name is guilty. Me, I wasn't there. You and I, we were not there. Pink sheet, obviously pink sheet, but when that's what people are saying, and I mean, I'm social media, so my work can I'm miserable. Now, I've been in my casa, or I video, and I didn't video could be I mean, and I'm still and then the man coffee after one, it's and my farmer. So let's go and watch this video of Bishop Obinim, the angel, and Joe Binim. Then one question area about studio, and then we continue the discussion.
Mr. Kennedy Japan. And some of the way in one. Number one, me no baby uncle die. Number two, me need get my girlfriends. May repeat you. Number three, me koji ubia good. Mesro, me koji ubia good. Me wo video wa. Me di gold name ma wo me ka se omon confirm say mu gold na mo de bre me se me mo so mpaye no me wie hu akwankyere mo nye me wo video wa me de ma wo mo a
papa ni show mo se an eye no a maame ni show mo se an no a girl nan kasa show mo se an no a enti si obi abema information se makoji obi gold a memfa ma no a me pa cho me wo video a me dia ma wo mo me pa cho video ni wo ho e wo laptop ni so okay e wo phone so yi na me show nkire wo mo enti mesra wo me nkoji obi a gold me nya kromfo onyankopon na ehira me ye to so bio me papa eja bonsu eye no kres de o ma information se me papa fi se pass na ye no kre some say information minister mes I know the makaje ma to abana ma because information bia nkofo ka kire wo eye no kres me papa fi se pass ebu akọ se pass nemom ekuro bia na me papa nan Mr. Kennedy me papa bu ofu o so obesi court me papa bu ofu eja kwadwo bonsu JK bonsu bu ofu James o so obesi court Mr. Kennedy me papa so obesi court me papa kuro bia na ne nan honorable so nim say me wo sika metimi ata me papa echi ni atwe manso nim say eta ho na me so he dey eta me ho so ati ase nti me srew honorable Kennedy Japan e bodi honorable me kire say me go show respect o me srew nti information a wanya free obi nim tamfofo ni nyina nchen no eye time no mo time pen no mo mpem asem na omama bad information about me and Mr. Kennedy Japan
Yeah, so there you have it. That was Bishop Daniel Obinim, angel, Obofunara, angel no, o passport is a baby or Shibiano, or two shoe. Hey, the man doing I didn't ever know how gonna. So yeah, that is it. Angel Obinim now, honorable Canadian Japan, one beef nor record, the beef nor the record, there. This to be able to be a sauce. Spices, there what the book could beef sauce in the I know that I'm a catcher. So just keep watching out for us. Yeah, the updates never to any page. Some of the videos you will see them, some of write-ups. More baby, yeah, the bottle and also I shall win you more honor. Now, the mother watching the whole world, the whole world watching your coronavirus. Everyone is trying their possible best, and they can also help in driving this whole virus away. Now, why there? Last week, no more. I'm decided. Stars and go for this is the time over there. The monk of free nano. What's out and also educate the public, educate their fans, and also at least do something to help. Any nana be depend on government. So stars in the why are the pie? I'm saying not all of them, but then those we've seen doing it, we are going to appreciate what they've done. But I've been also but behind closed doors, we are not seeing it. So all of them, we say kudos to you all. Now, Yabasha artists, they are doing educating the public, educating their fans, and also trying to give out some hand sanitizer and basic things. Ghanaians, and all even less privilege, so I want so over to use because sanitizer I don't know sister. What the be to do? I didn't know compare ya. Be so say to Munto. Hey, why are some Magana had you? I didn't know be. Baby, I've been so far. What the prices we increase the price in 10 years. Okay, in Ashatawale, we have the likes of Gloria Safo. We have so many stars. I also so why donation maybe, and also Chris Waddle. Chris Waddle has been very impressive. We know they be a Chris Waddle. We know how Chris Waddle they be there. We don't really see him involving himself in social matters nowadays. But then this time around, we've seen that that's that part of him. But he's been doing very well. He's been giving out hand sanitizers to people. Free. Free for listening to his songs and downloading his songs. This is also his time to also give back to society. So that's what he's been doing. Now, and the latest one Tema General Hospital. Yes, and also Konongo Dumase General Hospital, and also Tema Health-Wise Medical Center. Also, there now when hand sanitizers now send them on. Actually, Nanga Sanonya don't send it to individual, or send it to hospitals and health centers all around. You know. I am so make a check with Swado say. I also your Western region has to the charm. I don't know how he's going to do it, whether he's going to give it to a car or something. I don't know why yet today. It's just in the greater Accra region. I also your his fans are also here in the Western region. So you have to say Chris Wado. I want to watch a sanitizers now. One more also ya so yando because we corona no so yes you about me and even though we've had cases that they've tested negative, no, we still have to take precautions. Say one, so that's another one. And also, Shatawa is also why be and yeah, in there, I didn't bear no neither or did I go right or cano, I go or Twitter nowadays. But then this is a brand new why fine pa and the why video be my pediatric video no and this one instead baby ma over to order to one go to dream no one to film. It's not about you being an SM fan or being from or sack native. No fun when baby this is the message Shatawale has for you.
No, people are scared. It's serious. You understand from where this thing is coming from and where it has gotten to. I'm happy the government of Ghana, close airports, I say the borders too, they close them and things. That be the measures, because if we not take this thing play, let's just be serious about this. Let's just make sure, we just stay safe. And like I said, if you wash your hands well, or if you forget your hand sanitizer around you, you understand me? So I beg, make everybody just make sure say you advise the next man, it's not be a time where you go say I be shatter in fan or I be this one in fan, I be stone boy, I be Sarkodie in fan. We all be one people now. This be how we go fight one cause and win. So let us win. Ghanaians. Hand sanitizers, I say.
These people are also advocating their fear and panic men fan show even though the numbers keep getting higher but then there's still hope if we take care of ourselves and adhere to the precautions now see we can come together and then fight this virus. And lastly Papi Kojo Fante Van Dam. We know that he has roots in Italy. What's now what kakra alcohol no ba. Okwa pakuro chinisha coronavirus COVID-19. Ochinisha wana. Papa we chede government man come to my aid. Government in your day, government today. Yen tum na yen fa chop mamba fa nipa ko. So since you are there, since you are travel bans also aba Italy. Case no serious or honor. Into this year and what's the papi kojo? I want share them on your social distancing, on your isolation, on share honor. No, I wonder what's going to happen to Papi Kojo, what's going to happen to Papi Kojo if government is going to intervene. No, his government, he's not the only Ghanaian there. How I stranded and it's now on your share. We just hope that Onyabi and also Ghanaians there. We know you guys are watching us, so just take good care of yourselves. Yes, also kakaya to my piano. If you pay, will be Ghana for the zone in empire. What the children say, you bet you to see any album pay that for tons. You can in other they go on. And also, yeah, this also reminds me. Since I say on all media platforms, so we should also spread the news, right? Yeah. So what's the young batch national prayer and fasting? I and I and I want to obey you. Prayer and fasting, one for timetable and by the way, says to. But then, now you're fasting, no one person and coupon say, now read your Quran, read your Bible, now you're coupon so. On Shana, a queen to me, uncle, now yes, so you're fighting. Now let's come back to the studio, and then I had a corona now also. Corona and some to know, but me find the thing is corona chawanda and the chidam corona I'm question because me strong men are kind My phone so as usual, I have Magic George and also Salasi in the studio. Magic Salasi. But wait, mental to be so what should I watch a black yeah. And I tell us now we will know what is happening.
Globally, what is happening?
No more. ABI I'm plan.
I'm plan.
I tried it. No. Size one number. Siga. Afishapa.
Masa. Hey, corona bow, yampa.
Afishapa.
Dabi, Afishapa. The man where Afishapa no corona waba afimi.
Afishapa. Afisine tumkum.
In corner the abatnum. The abatnum pa, corner the other.
This is also coronavirus. Some of you are saying, I shall send them if you don't use them.
Mr. Magic can someone careful.
No, the initial name, when they say they are social radio, they are presenters, and one hour entertainment pandemic. Hena, no, they will punk off one way.
The one I telephone, no one.
But who don't know, since you are doing a more I don't know. And the virus, no one, you are spreading one. Too fast and quick be I bet you know one enter share. Let me share article, we share no documentary be. Okay. Boy, radio station from Dubai, where discussion when I was listening. No, I one lady we call South Korea. Of course South Korea no. Oh yeah, no, okay, no I'm doing no you know find or testing. Do testing no or yeah be. And now what's all one jam no you are fine. The phone no call church of church no koko di buffet
radin ko fara wenya
okudi buffet no baby on koko no within some few days no na anwana wenya disease is almost about getting to 8,000
because those people also get in contact with other people
and it must it means
it's when
no chale enyama is serious now there's nothing happening. Entertainment, sports, everything has shut down, and even the crumple. There's nothing happening. It's all coronavirus and go to never for baby.
Yeah. If you walk up, unless
I went to the Kennedy Japan or Rebel could be welcome. Unless I went to Kennedy Japan,
we have to release stress.
Unless I went to the Kennedy Japan, Ubinu welcome. Unless I went to the very much for a guy, so I said there. Also welcome. Unless I'm for better to the
that guy too. What's pastor was talking about? I'm this year I apologize. I didn't know that they made a tour station. That guy I apologize. Yeah.
Sika coronavirus in the day, Charlie. This year is scary. And Cranfon, this year, Kamankutanka, or current to Batacra, or Takaran to Conquer.
Yeah, I think.
Or Command to Quacker, Command to Conquer. Takaran to Kumas, the internet will be answering baby because.
Social distance, that's the
how they was there so far, you don't call any case.
And I think now why any now a negative.
And my worry is still, I've been into the testing centers. I will almost regions in I'll be Obama mice. I mean, me feel there. So I'm a day. So what test center if you're content the baby, like I will go. Test, yeah. Say, wouldn't tell my mom that what I wouldn't tell my yes and wash and I would do some level because this year.
But that's the trick with Corona too. Maybe you feel fine, but you might have it. You might not show the symptoms earlier.
That question, no, definitely so. Almost
at time, maybe who knows that I sent
some party say if say young funders say what testing center will come out there, like I'll go and test. Because you say about he get in contact with a person and know are infected. No quite.
Even though he wasn't showing.
So for me, I think that if say testing center in book like I'll go because it's a missing your mind. Why and it's scary. Say miss out.
But then if we keep saying that it's scary too, we put fear and panic.
Oh yeah, it's scary. I mean, initially, maybe I watch.
I am it's scary because this is someone. I don't want to say the things he said about coronavirus earlier. Where I think we recorded 2 cases.
No, but what I said in the way other guys they were saying it on radio. No, why you have listeners almost about 100 to 200, 300, 200, 400. Maybe every 1,000 or routine. And if say they are card no, it means
you have to know what's going on.
So let me be some on there. I don't know. So where do them level now? Here Canada, kind of pay for it. Okay, some visit them question there. So where do them level now? They are Canada. That's a guy who pay for it then. The following month, I was one more for you now. Once if you move beyond school, and one of our school beyond coffee, and more than a church. I don't know. I see something. I said, you asked the question or something. Say, what's a question or something?
They may say hallelujah for a change of mind. Hallelujah. So let's see. It's been like a week or I said 2 weeks or today. How have you been?
Oh, I'm in town.
Social distancing area.
Oh, yeah.
We are roaming about.
Say, she ain't called into yeah. Always is entertainment.
Yeah.
But entertainment is not going on until you're in there.
Shall entertainment is outside your corona. Corona, oh, baby.
World market, I see.
But then, we are going to be fine. Yeah. We are going to be fine. It's this too shall pass. Actually, fasting a baby.
Fasting, no, I'm not a choice.
Yeah,
but it's not like imposing on the like. It's not like imposing or a choice. So it'll be any choice to obey an hour here. I prefer that we should start, searching for the solution than praying.
We've been giving safety precautions have been given out, and I think the government is also doing their part. Everyone is also trying.
But I don't believe that prayer can solve this.
Oh, so yeah, we are not just resorting to just prayer.
So then why are we praying? Why are we praying?
Now corona.
Whilst other people are out there doing what? Fighting, searching for the vaccine. And we are here, we Ghanaians, we are about to do a fasting tomorrow.
Oh, so we believe in God. We believe that God can
so
do
the people in Italy don't believe in God.
Oh, the Pope is in Italy.
It's all good.
Rome is in Italy. The Vatican, eh? Okay, Italy put in Koya Holy Land.
Italy what and the crown one more when the time you're going to see China no for China one bay and the Yabano so Italy so on the one population I'm the one oldest and Yabano so I'm at 60 years so far. No immune system is strong automatic.
Even that one this year, it's been said there. We shouldn't say that because some people are in Canada. I think Canada, a Zimbabwean broadcaster. I think he's in his 30s. Obi over his 30s. He's supposed to have a strong immune system.
No, Maybe 30 years or diabetes or pressure.
No.
Or pressure or lungs problem.
The guy is even from a rich background.
And so no from.
It's
died at.
What I want you guys to understand is that it doesn't matter the age. At this point, it doesn't matter the age. Because there's been an old woman, a grandmom, I think almost 100 or 100 she's recovered. That's what they say.
Sure. In the Italy, 95-year-old lady is recovered.
Yeah, so the age, they're assets now. This year, the way corona, the age doesn't matter.
Yeah. All that we need to do is we should identify. We should focus and do the rightful thing. That's all.
Magic. Faster now.
Watch now.
What the now do all the next special? Because the realness there. Corona day. Sisi ako. I want to know then can start or end it da.
Why the more?
Mr. What other start for my. But on your short.
Now
But watch now I bear fasting.
If they would make some abandon here.
Magic musician I bear fasting.
I'm pressure.
I bear fasting.
Fasting now. You rush it. I chance you just a little.
Why then I make call for today. We call for my strong men. This fasting also on you. I'm sure they're not work us a few hours too.
Because I have to eat healthy and boost the immune system. I should come and fast them.
Hey! If policeman but not by arrest us, whatever he say can be used against in the court of law. Whatever that the government say asking us to do, no. This year, the magic is using it against them.
But it's not compulsory.
Oh, say
You can't force
it
me to
can't
fast
be
whilst
compulsory. How are
maybe I'm
they even
health
going
issues
to
are-
monitor it?
Yeah,
If you can't monitor sickness, oh, but then, say, don't you think then at least most Ghanaians
6 to
will
12.
participate together.
6 to
We
12.
cry to God.
And I wish you didn't catch them.
6 to 4, 6 to 12. Make it 6 to 12. Teenagers.
On a 60, I would do. I am bad when I'm going to do.
Well, I'm a person. I didn't tell my band 9, 1 part 10.
By military, I work at a fast now. When I come out to you are thinking the coffee.
Magic is so now you're strong. It can't start fasting.
I will try. Maybe I'm here and maybe I'm okay. 6 to 3. But try. But from 6 to 6, they're meant to be here.
6 to 6, they're to me.
So every birthday they are and my tire pa. Every birthday be I'm fasting.
That's on your fasting. 6 to 6, that's a corona. Quite better than do birthday.
Then say I'm going to corona. I'm not the bay. And I'm not the bay.
It's all over the bed.
Obviously, get a Ghana card. I want to get a Ghana card on Kutina.
I am Ghana card. So about Western I order. So that's the south side order.
The pressure no and time given no.
So I'm doing
time given no yeah.
They don't Ghana card any.
I'm not having one. And I need to travel to.
You're not a Ghanaian. You're not a Ghanaian.
I'm Ghanaian. You're Ghanaian.
You're not a Ghanaian.
Time given no yeah, bra. Time given no.
It's anyway.
But time no yeah, but you manage to.
Yeah, we try. I think a lot. So what the time they people count. But then still cram for now on shut down again now. So also we open the centers.
Yeah, after we read the whole
nationwide. Yeah. I think say no Eastern region and as this infringement.
So what the assembly or the injunction.
Injunction. I'm so saying infringement. Injunction out to the Matisia. What's the wow personal for now? But then have you heard this today? Deputy Minister, Deputy Attorney General, Wako Courts trying to reverse the whole thing. Because they are saying that we need it for voters registered.
Oh no! You see, you couldn't have any one. See, I was the issue. Working then. This is ourselves. See, I said that because it been your own for so, and nobody is giving you one. You say when you gonna hire one, it been one who puts in what you know, Sika. No, only your baby overcrowd. Still, it been one for so many still I don't know. Why about it? Even churches, you are abandoned churches, schools, and other be about what's beaches.
Beaches and what they are,
nightclubs, hotels. Now, no matter what hotels and for me, put out to Nadi. On Chebia, but you may be no hold on because of NIA, it been one for Sukaka Benyefi, a Ubenyanti, been on Skaka Benyanti, and even say, would we be back at the old Chinchina Yang, so would we be back at the seeing 20? No, but I guess when 20 you would just register Papa, that's able to use it like Wakada from Tuaba, which is men, you shouldn't do you may be there because of you been one for so Ubenyanti, one found so with me. Ghana for we should be serious. Even at Shadam. Even the government to take strict measures and then no more borders now they were close in Tamanas. I'm can't do them 52 years. This year still counting quite a year.
Because I want our quarantine.
You have to be serious. Oh man, may pay another NDC MPP, maybe I'm not politicizing it. Would we be there or they would take some strict measures, you know. When you're my kitchen, I don't know oil agency and Sika. Let's pray them. It's
time what's your fasting.
Let's pray.
Let's pray.
No, Italy. Even as of now, Crampo, a prayer test. Even if you plan a prayer test will be actually suspect watching with your polo call a crack. No coil bear within a week. Another
week, I think 2 or 3 days.
And but what you call about weekend bear. The weekend bear. You see, let's be serious. See, even if you can't have the campus or testing center one, call your one.
And do you think then randomly people would want to go and
simple? America, why within 45 minutes, would my test We machine we know
but that is not even all parts of America. They are also having their own challenges. But then what we are saying is that I also can't able to me because we keep comparing ourselves to other countries.
Yeah, start to find there ever call baby you who there brand ever call baby very buckets or liquid soap tissues or baby we don't start there ever call.
Yeah, and also some shops we have to
God is love we call last time we could do
Mango Saturday you have to wash your hands before you enter. I think
baby ever call I'm there you have to wash your hands and some hand sanitizer will be there on some and the minimum what started on this even boom there you have to be I don't also be on there like fine you are learning yes and although your habits are that other call there I didn't have the other countries on your back na all the hand sanitizer so about washing even near the other say charging no be near the I can see our work
tax force now check them I don't know
baby abeko bi ode nke bisi wo baby abeko bia rebia nka me junction ko ampo bisi di ko afa mudu a o mo hwa ma wo so nsa ansa na for taxi me se na edu so awo na kire ye kwene ni man no
at least on to wipe everything but at least it will minimize
I'm the musika come to hand sanitizer na me da chew me community oh ampa
these are the things that we need to do not to pray fast
can be no ibi o wa
na so prayer no so
from mobile money no man to oh na sika na ebi ampa for mam kakra hade ebi mam kakra na bia na ko to hand sanitizer na ma chicha
papa o scared about to hand sanitizer talk kwachiche ate
one of our number is 0243
we are not doing this here. We are not doing this here, Magic.
Oh, Sika.
Magic, we are not. We are not. You don't run any foundation.
I want Magic Foundation. I want to run Magic Foundation.
Go and bring your certificate. Go and bring your license to operate before we allow you. If you are not airtime, why
they never put in a booming? I want to better me Adam support society. And from me Agashi Junction to if you come to Chicago inside of Biramiti. Match hands and sanitizers over by 200 in par.
Okay.
Then come at charm with that corner at least my news going to at least humanitarian journey beyond a major beyond a year. No, I mean, you won't be an uncle because it's entertainment doesn't be anywhere.
Charlie, but then okay, in some now deny corona and some now yakan. But there was this pundit, entertainment pundit to be our Oka Assembly. I think we were supposed to discuss this last week, but then get to my but I would like us to delve into it, Kaka. No, Rekade, you know, time of coronavirus, the president addressed that us and then Okade some $100 million as Yankasa you realize that there's nothing like that now. They are now trying to get the money. This is actually the master this is we just want to tackle this corona. Magic mama come ask them. Maybe I so now on the scan only magic young cascan what we show you do. In there and $100 million now some more showbiz bars I did that. But your magic can task the mom. They ain't $100 million no why someone had it. But then what I want to say is that this pundit said Uncle Bayanka events, we know that they've cancelled so many events. Event organizers were cancelled shows, even artists themselves. Yes, 2020 where indefinitely. And then you bring out to Westline Entertainment so that out Western Music Awards so that was suspended. Yes, for now until there be further notice into also but no government should intervene. On Shana Oma event organizers,
no further.
Wow, because I was listening to Sadek of Free Music Awards. There are some of the artists are waiting on Kawi. And then Familia is also saying that I want to wait on the events organizer. Amaniska don't want to perform now because of coronavirus. Want to me about no yellow those come on the other watching. To be there, no. Prophet Lord so okay is going for no
pressure no dey nothing sport Bibian say
so
I'm a ska me event I'm a ska if you have on part payment if you are charge 20,000 I'm on 10,000 obey more and the ABR very unfortunate the incident we see the only thing I in there you be postpone events no maybe this year you me and maybe even post even say by maybe June July na say coronavirus no ni some nyame because I don't know oduru bia okwa na wejina because I'm for take precautions na identity on sheda and channel on the okwa we kwesi say Italy so akwa we could level we say we phone US na sisi a why we ka haso ya start of picking kakranti oduru bia on ya nkwa kwesi December even say even this year mpo akwesi December or cancel event bia next year or you still organize the event and we have I'm on ska I'm on part payment. The only thing I know is the next year time no one. Then you add another one part payment account. Then no. Say event number because of due to coronavirus. You can't tell me the event number into miss can refer. No. Anytime I may organize even so 2 years and company may organize event. If I call you, you have to come because miss or
but can't the artist demand an additional?
No, until make there's a time no son. The only thing you do in there, the part payment in our canon, you add it to the person.
Okay.
I get him. In terms of Bibian say, Miss Kebedu wanna say, young adding into my yard. I don't know event. I don't know able to be next year.
With publicity,
unless I catch them the 2020. No, unless I catch them there. Unless I catch them the 2021. We are say. Not a guy who got him. Asama katasa but 2021 beba 21 January February March April May June July August December able to organize the event in 10 dates be a pedeshe bia time no so that is Bibian say don't try there time no so family brother perform me more last year more charge 20,000 I'm 10,000 but you 10,000 no by start are you getting me more on the ABA or sponsors in ABA ska what that shame no. And then they scan over the shame no. Because of the mission.
That is what the guy is also saying there. They've lost money.
So the government should give you what?
They should help them.
Help them what? In what way? Event in your own person they come and comment. Scan go account man. So what are they talking about? The only thing I there if because this year you are in trying times. You are not in normal times this year. You are in difficult times this year. And your mama because even football grandpa share only people are shutting down and I can't how event no the only thing I in there if say this year into my year next year or in terms of catch the 2021 we are say another year 2020 we are say by end of December we are say I say you will be abio but 2020 about able start January February March bio no abo epema coronavirus on twem within 3 months you be free for the them hustling your film. I get him. That is sport. Bibi and say, don't try in there. So you to organize this year. Coronavirus trauma next year. You organize events. If you organize events, I bet for our more 5,000. You more budget 5,000. Come and perform. But event organizers, the government should give them something. No, one more is kind of there. For that one, I don't agree with you because any event in his car. Enough of
events organized. Now, so I would like us to look at artists this year. They are not getting shows. When individual shows are often organized in the crowd, they can't organize them. Bebre now they've cancelled with the guys Adina, Sister Fia, like Bebre, why cancel when the shows? Now, how do you think they are going to survive in this time?
Okay.
Now people want to start with online concerts.
Sure.
Not just Ghanaian artists, even artists outside Crown.
John Legend even started YouTube show. Yeah, I think this coronavirus thing, showbiz crowd, baby.
Okay, in some things.
Yeah, in some things, how to sell online. Yeah, that was 4 days ago, the weekend. Or uploading this song because after hours. Wow, iTunes, US, within 6 minutes. Bueno, or trendy. Or top charts,
Does it have something to do with coronavirus? Yeah.
Everyone wants to listen to music.
Yes.
Everyone wants to listen to
social
music.
distancing.
Sure. What's going on? Yeah. And artists were gonna come for year from there. Okay, why don't I try to use this opportunity to sell my songs with the DJs?
Yeah.
They are not doing it. No. Obia here for no because I don't know if it's because of the our system the crisis. Yeah.
Okay.
But other people living in abroad, they are trying to do something with these coronavirus thing. That them said they will do or they will benefit from it. Whereby, you know, selling on online.
Okay.
And promoting their songs on various stations and because stations don't be closed.
They're still working.
No,
Magic is still working.
Yeah, they are the people.
Is still working.
We are the people that you know feeding the community with how they call it. A lot of info.
Yeah, because with us we are also releasing fear.
I think since I'm going for TV, we tell radios in BBA.
Yes.
And they also
promo no
because they should know that
we know where you are. You want to get to.
So even this is the time for a friend then Ghana music and Ghana movie industry. Oh, go for a movie P. Ogugu. But we listen why yourself.
Yes, even when we look at these our Americans here, they be on some nadia. Movie premieres they've cancelled them. I don't saw one because yesterday I was reading and I saw this post on some of the movies and they're going to premiere it online.
Or
streaming.
So why is that Ghanaian celebrities to me?
But the thing is, do we even have the platform or you're solid like that? Magic.
Yeah, platform.
Do you think an artist or Ghana they really understand how to go by this whole online thing?
Yeah,
they are doing it.
Spotify, YouTube,
sure.
Apple, Boom Play, it's fetching a lot of money. And I think they know these things or and this is a video can promote that go to YouTube.
Okay.
Or local TV station now, about what you have 5,000, 6,000, 2,000, 3,000 now. The TV station will show it for back to YouTube. Even the video near nice song continuing there. It's a quality video. When I go to YouTube, he feels there no, I monetize the video there. I don't know they go to 1 million views, 2 million views, he will get money. I see how they understand those things until the first
Sure.
When come to
but
online.
But then so far, have you realized maybe this is the time that they have to be retweeting or reposting the things that they've done? When it works, when it projects need because people are home. Mankasa personally, Mankasa, I've been on social media. I've been trying to watch the things that and I do things that make out.
Everybody see here, messenger my connect obi up information. And obi up information see here. Maybe either because President Obama address here. You tune into most of the radio stations in here, they have picked it and everybody is listening. Even if the radio stations are everybody you can buy, it's difficult for you to promote it because people COVID-19 or they want to hear more things about it. Among people don't like Mr. Ghana stage community. Everybody listen to radio, social media, internet. That's why you get information.
So this is the time
Honorable Binim na e work on Canada Japan work on Honorable Reverend Kobina Canada Japan work Honorable there Buffalo Obifuso work on so the social media no is has become ish.
So they have to take advantage
of it and promoters. I want to know what musicians should come interview.
Musicians, I don't know.
They should come. They should promote. See, I'm going to put a radio power.
Sure. Why social distancing?
I don't know if they
are
even
social
afraid.
distancing.
I'm with most of people will break promotions now.
Yeah, no, I don't know if they are afraid.
You have to see movement be brave so
no, this is movement be brave because radio stations is not crowded.
Yeah, it's still
problem. Hold on, baby, what kind of number? I will be our. You be taking precautions, but anyway, what kind of number? And baby, I don't
upon all the money that our big artists are having, onto me Momo DJ. Now this is my new song. Obia Hodi, Shatawale will be releasing Mansa Musa with Vibe Cartel. Stoneboy, Anglogan Junction. Only 2 songs were released. Why is that the rest no one release it? Are they afraid?
And this is working at most of top artists in here. To Kono.
Yeah, Sakoda
is out. Stoneboy is not in Ghana.
Sure.
I think I saw that Promise is out. Promise is in Ghana. And then we who the trend on Twitter, people were bashing him. People were saying that why Bangkok isolated one on them. Because he was posting pictures, but then I went to his page. Me call the page. You know, see the pictures. No, yada. Ordinary, I'm not sure. Where did you try? Why did you try the dad? Nothing. No, really.
What's the Obianshi Dema?
Social distance. listen.
No, but one kind of young children. But have they locked down the nation?
But then they say it's good.
They're gonna lock down in before
with the lockdown there, it's very sensitive. With lockdown, different thing. And also there are some people they don't have washrooms and everything in their house. Most compound houses they don't have washrooms. They use public. Use public facility. So when there is a lockdown, I think that they should rethink it and don't know how to go about it. But then a total lockdown.
Go to Accra and go to Amazon.
Then
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Then GPRTU must come in these so that they can seize all the transportation,
People have been
you do them level.
No, shut down transportation. So also obey.
I don't know that I don't know.
This whole coronavirus COVID-19 issue it's quite sensitive. It's quite sensitive because I talk about this side. There's another side that then you'll be leaving that one out. Or it's sensitive. So we should know how to go about this whole conversation. But then for now, as we've already said, adhere to the preventive measures. If you don't have anything to do outside, why should you go out in the first place? Why don't they pay? Act like you have it and you don't want to give it to someone, or someone has it you don't want to get. Just stay in the house. Make sure you wash your hands. Wash one with soap and running water. Use the hand sanitizers if you go out. You can use the alcohol rub. And what's hand sanitizers? It has to be 70%. Say alcohol at least 70%. And I want also mix the concoctions as sanitizers. You people should be careful. Should the Ghanaians die in the baby we just want to take advantage of the situation. On your fine. Never quite sanitizer. Magic. Have you tried buying sanitizer?
The one I bought was 15 cedis. First one on the first, so 5 cedis, so 8 cedis.
Times 2.
I thought 18 cedis small one be.
But why times 3?
First not on the 8 cedis and then the 7 cedis. But I'm trying 15, 18 not on. The shadow no back was we talk to Mukanu. This one
that you have to understand.
But I think Ghana for
you think so?
Yeah. Oh yeah, of course. I'm telling you the truth.
And do you know that there are people who don't know what's going on?
Then they are
because
then, if you don't know what is going on, then you are stupid. I'm telling you.
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
Upon them, someone going to tell me that you don't know what is going on. You are stupid.
Some people are not close to
No.
Some people are not close to
Magic, you can't say that.
Magic, just today, I called a friend of mine in Volta region and asked her. She's a radio presenter. Case Biba, also I'm going to don't know.
He's a stupid.
He's
a stupid one. I'm telling you.
Yes.
No.
A radio presenter, he tell me you don't know what is going on. The whole Italy, US, China, people are dying. You don't know what. Then you are stupid. I'm telling you.
Oh, come on.
You can't be
stupid.
No, Salasi.
Who is stupid?
Magic, wait.
No one is stupid.
Do you know why you can't say that? You can't say what you are saying.
I know. Okay, you tell me. I will tell the reason why.
This.
You don't know what is happening. You know.
No,
you don't know what is happening.
Magic.
Most people don't know.
Those in remote village, I don't know what is happening.
That is it. Not everyone in remote village knows what's going on.
Only few.
Magic. And I remember studio in the car was in. Now I think it was around 6 o'clock. So 6 o'clock news was going on, and this was an MP at Kintampo, one of the constituencies there. MP, I think Felicia. Honorable Felicia, I've forgotten the surname, but sorry, Felicia. And then she and Kasa was talking about how some of the people they don't know what's going on. One, we still have communities out wanting electricity. I don't know they are not constant. Even in our cities, we have communities where they are not getting water.
Sika.
We have places where communication is very poor.
Service
is poor. So they rely on these pickups that give out information.
So
what are they doing? Not everyone knows about what is going on. But then, for now, the media has been doing well. The media has been doing well in our own way. You know, we are trying to spread the news. We are trying to tell people what's going on, try to educate them on what to do and all that. But then there are still people out there in remote areas, they don't know what's going on.
Why can't we
but
say
then
little
by little, that is why I think today it was said that they are trying to deploy some vehicles, these pickups now, public address system, sometimes I let that. Now what they don't watch them. This is the time for them to work. So they have to go to these remote areas to do. One, they don't have proper network. What are they going to know? So this is the work of, I don't know, district level. Those are the grassroots. Authorities are the grassroots. We are telling you guys.
Local government, they need to do something about it.
Those who don't know what's going on. NCC. I don't know what's going on. Uncle, Assembia, about two Nanka, about 2 hours. You guys will get cars to go there and then put public address systems on the pickups and then disturb our sleeps and peace. But then this is an epidemic that's going on. It's an outbreak. You go for. I don't know. We are just politicizing issues in this country.
So what kind of orphan as ambassador Obejiska?
Yeah. But then I don't think it's necessary for the government to also come out and then say select people for. No,
you don't need to
for
select.
now the celebrities are doing well. Shatawa and Nankasa, he's creating awareness. Nankasa watch sanitizers.
MG boss.
Yes, they've done most of the celebrities. They've done well.
Why are
they? That man, we
they are doing well. But then we are waiting on our MPs. Police stations and students.
The guy is doing well.
They are doing well.
But a body, a boy,
you see, the issue we
we need to talk about this.
I said, the MP was South Strategy. On your face. On to Mugoya, she won constituency war.
Magic, you
want to be MP.
You don't even know the name of
West.
No, you don't know that. You don't even know the name of the
Let me check it on my phone. I have
let me check it. You don't even know the name, but you are here making allegations. We
all know.
How do you know?
Nobody birthday,
Sugar daddy. Sugar daddy,
Sika, you are dating our boss. You don't want us to talk.
On this parliament.
Yeah, big shout. Let me. We have some people watching us. Kweku Kama, thumbs up. Yeah, thank you for watching Shapes, and also Steven Sia, Isam. Yeah, our very own Isam is watching us. He's a big fan of Showbiz Bars. Yeah. So anytime Isam when the Showbiz Bars is going on, not watch it. So big ups to you, Isam. This Isam will release a Kote remix. We are waiting for you. And also, what's Kade Ganja? The most small portion now will legalize for medicinal purposes. We wouldn't call full tag on that. The madam will try now, but we bring you to the studio. So we have an appointment. You make an on live so that maybe I may be for a while. Now may shakara.
Clear there, you can't smoke it and no.
Oh yes. I think
it's illegal.
It's illegal. I
think that is very irresponsible of him. That is very irresponsible of Kwakese to do. But then
I respect yourself.
But then Samini has been advising the youth that it's still illegal to smoke it. If they catch you smoking it. But then Kwakese, I don't know. I think it's the corona, or maybe it's the corona. Okay, so yeah, guys, last words na yamponai na and the corona.
The coronavirus, I'm entertainment in I think it is good. But if say Okroma had and say you don't know what is going on now, then you are stupid on the matter of
magic. I will have to. Magic. That's some I can. No, magic. Magic, just do the needful.
I should do what?
Just do.
But I'm not insulted anyone. No, I have not pinpointed. If you don't know what is going on, then it is stupid.
No, you can't say that.
There's a lot of villages
around
this.
No, you have villages. I'm not talking about villages. If you are in the city, talk right here. Like today, who radio presenter,
not city.
A whole presenter also they know what is going on. And he's a stupid presenter. They don't know what's going on. They're stupid presenter.
So they don't
I'll
even...
tell you on your face.
Oh, come on, Magic George.
You know, let me say this. Ideas TV, we have no, like, Yahoo, yes, sir.
But this is not, this is...
Whatever that Magic George is saying.
Magic, the whole presenter, you tell me,
it's okay.
It's okay.
But I want the Magic.
Tell your boy to go and share some time.
I'm not a boss,
and they should not vote for him. No one should vote for him. Yo.
This thing you are doing, if Selassie can you time.
Okay, I just want everyone to, not to defy the rules. Okay, also, wear masks, they use sanitizer. So we should follow, everything. We should do everything, in a rightful way. Yeah. Now, in some way, system just report yourself.
Okay.
Don't be there and say that a fever or malaria. No, just report yourself.
Go to the hospital.
Yes. And if Eric hospital as well, bomb ban, man down. Never transmit by obisu. So everyone should stay safe.
Okay, so stay safe. Wash your hands. Wash your fingertips. Your thumb. Just clean your hands. Make sure so that you clean surfaces around you. You use if alcohol rub and even tissue. That's a repetitor you clean. Because the virus can be on surfaces for a couple of hours, for many hours.
No,
yeah, this year what's the days? Yeah, today I heard it. The days called, but 2 days on a particular on the surface. It's no. I did chibiana no corona no chade. No one are complicated. We can't be 100%.
So outside I don't hear the number.
That is it. Because it gets into your lungs. And also we know that it stays in your throat for some days. It's if you experience, that's why they advise us to take in hot fluids. The way now hot water do go bucket at the blanket. You can also do that. Nina and then we keep boosting our immune system. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables to boost your immune system. Now immune system is so strong. So that in case virus no better now system your immune system can also fight it. Treatment be what man also death also one cause because over a year there death rate over cause. So now we've lost 2 people to coronavirus. And we don't want it to happen. We don't want it to go on. So adhere to the safety precautions now. Adhere to them. If you don't have anything essential to do outside, stay indoors. Social distancing, that's what it's called. Stay indoors and then be safe. Echo outer. Make sure that you don't touch surfaces. Basa. The baby or the next about to baby. We are watonsu na wanom. And it enters your body. So be safe. Be safe, please. We need you alive. Ideas TV, we need you alive. Ideas TV, we need you alive. Showbiz Bars, Sika Woman, I need you alive. So please, be safe out there and then spread good news. And I want to spread the fake news. So what you want? I don't want to buy your one. Don't spread fake news. If you want authentic and genuine news, come to our page, Ideas TV. We've got authentic news for you. BBR updates in go. In case I say just go on our page and scroll and post no. Then you also know what's going on. And advice I want our bell because you'll be on about social media. Now I could read and also read or go on the internet and then read the symptoms or how to prevent it. So let's all do that and then stay safe, stay hydrated. And thank you for watching Showbiz Bars right here on Ideas TV. Go on YouTube at Ideas TV and then subscribe to our page. Stay hydrated. Yummy watch now. We are fasting. Make sure you take part. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idin where I am Pobwa. And Pobwa sort here desert, loafers, lippers nade. Say Pemu works nada, Ebo Emmanuel into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook. I may put that here, a boom, a Pemu location so I know a Greek. My number is 0247 40 39 80. That's made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shoes One.